Imagine waking up one morning to discover that the tech you've relied on for years, your phone, your apps, even the algorithms that run your favorite streaming service, has just got turbocharged. Not by a small tweak or a routine upgrade, but by something so revolutionary that the rules of technology itself have changed. Sounds like a science fiction plot, right? But it's happening right now. And it's all because of Meta's groundbreaking Llama 3.3 AI model. Stick with me, because by the time this video ends, you'll understand why this could be the most transformative leap in AI we've seen in years. Oh, and if you're enjoying this deep dive into the world of cutting-edge tech, don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe to the channel for more updates like this. Now back to the story. Picture this. A sleek sports car zipping down a winding road. It's fast, efficient, and incredibly powerful. But what if I told you this car isn't a car at all? It's an AI model, a metaphor for Meta's latest innovation, the Llama 3.3. This isn't just another shiny upgrade in the world of artificial intelligence. This is the equivalent of taking that sports car and teaching it to fly. Sounds wild? Let's break it down. Llama 3.3 is Meta's newest multilingual large language model. But don't let the technical jargon scare you off. What makes this version extraordinary is its uncanny ability to deliver top-tier performance with just a fraction of the parameters used in its predecessor. Think of parameters as the engine under the hood of an AI model. The more you have, the more powerful it is. Yet somehow, Llama 3.3 achieves almost the same performance as its older, bulkier sibling Llama 3.1, while using far fewer parameters. This is efficiency on a scale that's hard to fathom. But here's the twist. This isn't just about making AI faster or cheaper. It's about rewriting the very fabric of what AI can do. But let me hit pause here for a moment with a quick question. Ever feel like tech companies throw out these futuristic ideas just to sound impressive? Quantum leaps, revolutionary breakthroughs, and the like? Well, Llama 3.3 isn't just talk. It's already making waves, with over 650 million downloads since its release. That's right, 650 million. To put it in perspective, that's more downloads than some entire app stores see in a year. But why is everyone so eager to get their hands on it? Because it's not just a tool, it's a game changer. For one thing, Llama 3.3 is entirely open source, meaning developers around the world can access and build on it for free. Well, mostly free. There are some conditions, like needing a special license if your app has more than 700 million users. But here's the kicker. This open source approach doesn't just foster innovation, it positions Meta as the backbone of countless future AI applications. In other words, they're not just playing the game, they're building the field everyone else plays on. And the stakes? Oh, they're sky high. Meta isn't just betting on AI, they're doubling down on virtual reality too. Imagine a world where AI and VR blend seamlessly. A world where your digital assistant doesn't just answer questions but creates immersive environments tailored to your every need. Sounds thrilling, doesn't it? But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's circle back to the technical magic behind Llama 3.3. This model has been trained on an eye-popping 15 trillion tokens. For context, that's like feeding it every book, article, and tweet ever written, and then some. This massive data pool allows it to excel in everything from reasoning tasks to coding challenges. Oh, and did I mention it supports super long context windows? Picture an AI that can read and retain information from an entire book in one go. That's not just impressive, it's transformative. Here's where things get even more fascinating. Meta's engineers have incorporated something called grouped query attention into the model, making it faster, more efficient, and cheaper to run. How cheap? We're talking pennies per million tokens generated. Compare that to the costs of running other top-tier AI models, and it's like trading in a gas guzzler for an electric car. Sustainable, efficient, and undeniably smart. But let's address the elephant in the room, safety. With great power comes great responsibility, right? Meta knows this, which is why they've built robust safeguards into Llama 3.3. From supervised fine-tuning to human feedback loops, they've gone to great lengths to ensure the model behaves responsibly. They've even conducted red teaming exercises, where security experts try to trick the model into doing something harmful, just to find and fix vulnerabilities. It's like hiring the best locksmiths in the world to test your front door. Still, no technology is perfect, and Llama 3.3 is no exception. There's always the potential for misuse, which is why Meta is encouraging developers to adopt best practices and use tools like PromptGuard and CodeShield to minimize risks. It's a collaborative effort, shared responsibility to ensure this powerful tool is used for good. And let's not forget the environmental impact. Training Llama 3.3 took millions of GPU hours and generated thousands of tons of CO2 emissions. But Meta claims to have offset this with renewable energy, achieving net zero emissions for the training phase. Is it enough? Maybe not, but it's a step in the right direction. Now here's where the story takes an intriguing turn. Imagine you're a developer, sitting on the brink of creating the next killer app. With Llama 3.3, you've got the tools to build something extraordinary, something that could redefine industries from healthcare to entertainment. But here's the catch. How will you use it? Will it be for good? Or will it inadvertently pave the way for unforeseen challenges? It's a question we all need to consider as we hurtle toward an AI-driven future. And speaking of the future, let's end with a cliffhanger. What happens when AI and VR truly converge? When the lines between the digital and physical worlds blur beyond recognition? Meta's not just imagining this future, they're building it, piece by piece. The question isn't whether it will happen, it's when. And when it does, will we be ready? But if you've made it this far, congratulations, you're now part of the informed few who truly understand the magnitude of what's unfolding. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with someone who'd appreciate this insight, and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.